Hello guys! Kwentuhan tayo for today habang naghaharos tayo ng malunggay.
Ano yung naghaharos?
Hindi ko... taking the leaves from malunggay. Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog at English nito kasi Bisaya ako, guys. I'm not Englishera, I'm Bisaya.
Ganyan, no? Marunong
Yes,
ka ba
guys.
talaga?
Alam.
Aanin mo tong ano? What will you do with this malunggay?
We will eat it with sabaw. Guys, you should know how to haros malunggay before you get boyfriend or girlfriend.
Ano nga ba ito sa Tagalog? Ayuso dun, no?
Guys, let me know kung anong tawag nito sa English or Tagalog.
Basta
Kasi
sa
hindi ko
Bisaya.
alam.
Anong tawag sa Bisaya?
Haros.
Bisaya, mangkaday.
Yes, Day. I am proud Bisaya, Day. I am
Bohol.
born in Bohol. I am proud Bohol.
Buholana.
Boholana. I am proud Boholana, guys.
Marunong ka talaga? Paisa-isa?
Hindi naman. Wait lang. I want to get there. So guys, may pasok pa rin mas bukas. Tomorrow is Friday.
It's okay na daw pag hindi kayo nagsusuot ng school uniform. Did you read the message?
Huh?
Yeah, you can wear an attire in school that is comfortable but formal.
What?
Because of the sobrang init.
Talaga? But is it temporary?
Yeah, ngayon lang na habang mainit, inaalaw kayo ni Teacher Cha na magsuot ng yung
Okay.
uniform PE bukas kasi Friday naman.
Yeah, pero I want to wear something else.
Mayroon siyang nakalagay doon na kung ano yung pwede.
Oh.
Yeah. Hindi naman yung Freedom Day eh. You know what's Freedom Day? May Freedom Day kami dati.
Pag Freedom Day talaga, pag may Freedom Day talaga sa school namin, may magsusuot talaga ng cosplay doon.
Ikaw yon.
Yes. You know
So,
who
how's
I
yours?
am, guys. I will wear cosplays at Freedom Days.
So, how's your school today?
It was fine. Wait, ang kato ng eyes ko. Where's my eyes tearing up?
Tingin ka sa malayo.
Hindi naman to onions eh. But, okay na.
So, may kayo? Quiz?
Yes. And I did good naman. Of course, kasi it's English. Because not only I am Bisaya, but I am Englishera.
Love.
Yes.
So, anong score mo?
Nakalimutan ko. Basta perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
Just like the AP yesterday?
Yes. Naka-perfect wala ako sa AP na written exam, guys.
Wow.
I'm
Galing
so
mo naman.
proud of myself. Kasi nag-aral ako. Guys, aral muna. Wala mo ng jowa.
Look. Hoy, you're only 11.
Yes, bawal ako mag-jowa. I am forbidding myself from having jowa.
11 ka pa lang, ibawal talaga.
Oh, yes! Bawal talaga. Nakaka-distract ang jowa kasi first of all, magpupuyat ka pa saying I love you to them. Malay mo, may ibang tinitext siya, guys.
Ano yan? Parang may experience. May pinagdaanan ka?
Sa mga pelikula. Nanood
Oy,
kaya ako ng Hello, Love, Goodbye, guys. So,
Na-
may experience ako in movies.
Napanood mo na yung teaser ng Wednesday?
Hindi pa.
I
Pero
sent you
meron
the
ng
link.
Season 2?
Yeah, I sent you the link of the
Teaser.
teaser.
Yan mamaya.
We're
Guys,
almost done. Bilis na.
guys, hindi lang ako marunong maglaba, pero marunong ako magharos ng malunggay. Oh, ang galing ko, di ba guys? I know how to do a lot of chores because I am responsible.
So, magkano tong malunggay?
1 million. 1 million to guys. Made out of silver and gold itong malunggay namin guys. So anyways, ang tagal kaya lumabas yung Wednesday season 2 guys. Nakalimutan ko na yung plot nun. Basta naalala ko lang yung yung jowa ni Wednesday naging monster.
May jowa ba si Wednesday doon?
Yung si Tyler ba yun? Tyler ata pangalan niya eh. Okay, serious mode na guys. Yes, I can speak English.
You describe the
and this
Wednesday.
is not AI guys. For those who are saying that my voice is AI, no, it's not AI. Okay, almost done. Alright.
Wow. Galing mo naman magharos ng malunggay, be.
Yes, because you helped me. So, for the kabataan dyan, I am encouraging you to eat malunggay kasi masarap kaya guys. Tapos marami pang vitamins. Ay, meron pang isa.
Ikaw, kumakain ka?
Of course! As long as may sabaw naman. Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Anong ulam? Sabaw. Okay. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.